Annie. I hope you enjoy my video series how to prepare my food and cook Thai food. And don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe down below. Annie. Oh.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Annie. Today I will show you how to cut the carrot to look presentation good on your food. So I use 3 kind of knife. It's kind of like shredded knife. You can find in any grocery store. What is this?
Peel.
And second one is the peel knife. And third one, the cutting knife. First of all, you use the cutting knife, cut the head and the tail out. Second, you use the peel knife, peel all the skin out. Some people eat the skin, but not me. So you peel out all your carrot. Now, be done with the peeling thing. Next, you use the shred knife to shred all the carrot out. I use the shred carrot like this for my fresh roll when I'm cooking. Or sometimes I put in pad thai or I put in papaya salad. It look really cute and it look good on your dish. You can color your dish by carrot and it's healthy. So we shred amount that you need. So I need a lot of amount of carrot for my dish. So I'm gonna shred all the carrot that I want for cooking today. You shred all. You can shred all till you cannot shred anymore or you cannot hold your carrot anymore. See, it's very pretty. Then just cut out the carrot. Now I get all my shredded carrot that I need. Then I'm going to show you how to cut carrot for your dish, like beef broccoli, to color your beef broccoli dish, or chicken stir fry or vegetable stir fry. So you use your cutting knife, cut out carrot diagonal, like that. Till the end of your carrot. So you not waste any carrot at all. I will show you how pretty is that. Look at that. It's very pretty for your dish. And this is how I can cut my carrot. Thank you for watching. That's what my video for today. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe down below. And you can follow my video in this website.